Hello students, this is Smita ma'am here. Last class we discussed about Social Science Standard 5, Chapter 1, page number 5 and 6. Let's continue our lesson. We can see only one half part of the globe at a time. When you turn the globe on its axis, you will observe that all continents and oceans are coming in front of you very quickly. The same thing cannot be observed for the earth. Hence, a globe is useful to us. This is about globe. Next is poles. What is poles? The point at the top of the globe or earth is called North Pole. The point at the bottom of the globe or earth is called South Pole. Children, see, this is the picture of South Pole and this is North Pole. Next is equator. What is equator? Midway between two poles is an imaginary line called equator. See, this is the picture of equator. Midway between two poles is an imaginary line called equator. See. Next is axis. What is axis? The line that joins two poles is called axis of earth. It is an imaginary line. The earth is supposed to be rotating around its axis. This axis is not a vertical line. It is tilted at an angle of 23½ hemisphere. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts called hemispheres. The part of the earth that lies to the north of the equator is called northern hemisphere. The part of the earth that lies to the south of the equator is called southern hemisphere. Reference lines. There are some reference lines that are needed to locate a place on the globe. There are two types of such lines. One is latitude, another one is longitudes. Latitudes are parallel to the equator and longitudes are vertical lines passing through both poles. Children, see, this is the picture. The tilted axis of rotating of the earth. See, this is axis. This is North Pole. This line is equator. This is sun rays coming this side. South Pole. And this is direction of Earth's spin. See. Another picture is here. There are two hemispheres. One is northern hemisphere. Another one is southern hemisphere. See. Is that clear, children? Okay. Next come latitudes. The horizontal lines that are parallel to equator are called latitudes or parallels. These lines are marked in degrees 0. The lines of parallels are written from 0 degree to 90 degree. There are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere. See, this is the picture latitudes and longitudes. See. Okay children, next. All lines of latitudes are located at an equal distance from one another. The lengths of these parallels keep reducing as we move away from the equator towards poles. There are 181 of latitudes in all. They include equator and poles. Besides, there are two other important parallels or latitudes as follows. Tropic of Cancer at 23½ degree north, Tropic of Capricorn at 23½ degree south, Arctic Circle at 66½ degree north, Antarctic Circle at 66½ degree south. This is the picture you see. North Pole, this is South Pole, this is latitudes, this is parallels, this meridians, prime meridian, this is longitude. See. Okay children, there is homework for you. You practice this picture and learn it. Okay children, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.